Peace. So here I am working on removing and replacing the old ear cuffs for my Beats Studio 3 headsets. So I'm at the point of now removing this extra ring, and this part is challenging. As you see, I have the blue wedge between. That is what you need to make sure you get off. It's better if you can do it without just taking off the cuffs. I couldn't, so I took the cuffs off and now I'm prying that off. So all this extra residue is from these dilapidated ear cuffs. Well, here I am. I am going to continue to work on this one, to pry this ring from the base of the headset, and so far it's starting to lift. I think I'm going to use a butter knife instead. I'm starting to lose this little guy here. This little blue piece looks like a guitar pick. Alright, so I went and got a butter knife. I'm going to pick up where I left off. With that little guy. Now once you get this off, you're going to want to clean up all of that excess residue glue with the alcohol wipes. Excess glue needs to come off. Before I do that, I'm going to remove this one as well. So I'm ready to lift this butter knife in. Actually, I'm going to try the wedge again, see if I can get under. Once I get under, then I can put the butter knife in and finish the job. And be careful because it gets slippery and you can hurt your hand, your fingers. What are you doing? As you see, it's sliding. And I still can't get it. I'll be back. Okay. So, got the knife in there. I actually used a plastic card, old credit card or something like that, gift card, to try and get in there to wedge it so that I could put the knife in. That actually seemed to work well. So now, as you see, I'm working my way around. This piece off. I'm trying to be careful of the body of the headset so that I don't break that snap it. This baby is coming off. Surgery and shit now. There we go. There it is. It's off. Now just need to pull the rest of that off. Make it all this excess tape off. That is what that should look like, and then I'm going to clean it up. Let me get the excess tape off of this one. A little glue. And that is how you remove them. Before we fully remove, I'm going to clean this up. I'll be right back. Some extra. This has the wedge opening for this time where you actually apply adaptive charging. So I'm going to do that one first. And then you line them up, which is always good to make sure you have the right ones. And so you just peel it off. The adhesive, it's a 3M adhesive on it, which makes these stick very well. And I'm going to align it. And I'm going to start with the actual adapter. That way, once that's on, the rest of it should fall right in place. And just apply some pressure. But I'm not going to use it. I'm going to allow these to adhere. Once I'm done, I'm going to put it under maybe a book or something so that it will get firm. And I'm going to leave them for about 12 to 24 hours, just depending. And as you see, you have the holes that are aligned to fit the areas for the headset as